All right, Spartans. Today we're going to talk about something that's just as important as battling the Covenant, and that's parallel parking our trusty 2006 Nissan Murano. First things first, we need to find a suitable parking spot. Don't just dive into the first spot you see. We need to look for something that's about 1.5 times the length of our vehicle. Keep your eyes peeled, like you're searching for the index on installation 04. As we approach the spot, remember MS-MOG. Check your mirrors, turn on your right signal, check your mirrors again, look over your right shoulder, and go when it's safe. Then we'll pull up next to the car we're going to park behind, keeping a good distance, like we're dodging a grunt's plasma grenade. Now put it in reverse. But before we start moving, we need to get in the proper backing position. Sit up tall, like you're on a warthog turret, and turn your shoulders 90 degrees from the back of your seat. Slowly back up until the middle of our Murano lines up with the other car's rear bumper. If another vehicle approaches from behind, stay put with your signal on and Murano in reverse. We don't want to be caught off guard, like the UNSC at Reach. When the coast is clear, cut the steering wheel sharply toward the curb at a 45-degree angle. Keep going until you can see the headlights of the car behind you in the driver's side wing mirror. When the passenger side mirror lines up with the other car's rear bumper, it's time to turn our wheels back the other way. Keep backing up until we're aligned with the other cars and parallel to the curb or road edge, like we're avoiding enemy fire. Now it's time to straighten and align. Always center our Murano between the other vehicles, like we're balancing a plasma pistol's charge. Make sure we're between 12 and 18 inches from the curb, depending on the state. If we tap the curb with our right rear wheel, put the Murano in drive, turn the wheels all the way to the right, and move forward until we're parallel. Double check our distance from the curb, like we're making sure our aim is true before firing. There you have it, Spartans. Parallel parking our 2006 Nissan Murano is just as easy as taking down a squad of jackals. Stay sharp out there, and always be ready for anything.